Everyone, welcome to
amazing channel of Brilliant Katha.
When you're rubbing one body with another body, electrons are transferred from one object to another object. Okay, this process, this type of electricity is been given a name.
halogen connected carbon sp3, then it's connected to benzene. See all of you, halogen connected. What is this carbon hybridization? Full single bond sp3. See then a benzene ring.
Denominator poles shouldn't be included in the denominator poles. That means the denominator, these -1 and -5 should never be included in the solution.
Homocircle caudal fin. It's giving two equal lobes. But in case of cartilage fishes, look at here, one big lobe is there, one small lobe is there. You cannot cut into two equal half this fin.
Brilliant Katha.
Hello dear students, good evening. Welcome back to the live DPP discussion. Today we discuss thermodynamics and kinetic theory. Okay, some of the important questions from thermodynamics and kinetic theory. The first one, a Carnot engine takes 5000 kilocalorie of heat from a reservoir at 727 degrees C. Carnot engine takes means this is the heat absorbed by the engine given 5000 kilocalorie. Okay, from a reservoir at 727 degrees Celsius. 727 degrees Celsius means this is the temperature of the source is given. The reservoir temperature is 727 means the temperature of the source. That is equal to 727 degrees Celsius, that is, see, it is 1000 Kelvin, isn't it? 1000 Kelvin, okay. And the sink is at a temperature 127 degrees Celsius. The sink temperature is T2, represented as T2. It is 127 degrees Celsius, okay. It is equal to 400 Kelvin, 127, okay. 127 is 400 Kelvin, yes. The work done by the engine is asked. Work done by the engine is asked. See, in the case of Carnot engine, that's an ideal engine. We have the formula connecting work done and heat absorbed as W by Q1. We can write this as the temperature ratio, that T1 minus T2 divided by T1. Isn't it? T1 minus T2 divided by T1. Okay. Now, T1 is given as 1000 minus T2 is equal to 400 divided by T1 is 1000. Okay. Now, the work done is this much value into Q1. What is Q1 is? Q1 is 5000 kilocalorie. Kilo means 10 raised to 3 and calorie means the options are in joule. Okay. So, convert this calorie into joule, that 4.2 joule. 1 calorie is. Clear? This is equal to 600 divided by 1000. 3 zeros cut here. Then this is 6600 into 5 into 10 raised to 3 into 4.2. Okay. Now this is very direct calculation. We obtained this is 6 into 5, 30. Then 2 zeros. Then 10 power 3. Then that is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 6 into 4.2. That is equal to 12.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. Okay. So very simple answer, very simple calculation about the work done and heat absorbed relation of a Carnot engine. Okay. Yeah. The next one is, read the following statements. Statement 1. when small temperature difference between a liquid and its surrounding is doubled. The temperature difference between a liquid and the surrounding is doubled. The rate of loss of heat of the liquid becomes twice. Actually, this statement is from Newton's law of cooling. According to Newton's law of cooling, we have the rate of loss of heat, that is minus dq by dt. Minus dq by dt is directly proportional to the temperature difference of the surrounding and the system. Hot body, temperature of the hot body minus temperature of the surrounding. Clear? Now here, when this temperature difference is doubled, means the rate of loss of heat also twice, means this is the correct statement. Statement 1 is correct only. Okay. Now, second one, two bodies P and Q having equal surface areas are maintained at temperature 10 degrees C and 20 degrees C. Okay. Two bodies of same area maintained at 10 degrees C and 20 degrees C. Okay. The thermal radiation emitted in a given time by P and Q are in the ratio 1:1.15. The thermal radiation ratio, the radiation rate, the radiation power from Stefan's law, we studied sigma into T raised to 4 into area. This is delta Q by delta T divided by area. That is proportional to T raised to 4. That is Stefan's law. Okay. Now this area is constant, sigma already constant, means the radiation power is directly proportional to temperature raised to 4. Okay. Now in this case, P2 divided by P1 is equal to, first temperature is 10 degrees C, it is 283 Kelvin, isn't it? 283 Kelvin. Divided by second temperature 20 degrees C, that is 293 Kelvin raised to 4. Okay. When we solve this, we get the answer as 0.87 approximate 0.87, and here the ratio given in the question as 1:1.15. 1:1.15 means that is almost 0.87. That is also okay. So the answer, this statement B is also correct. Statement B is also correct. Okay. Now see, a Carnot engine working between 100K and 400K has an efficiency of 75%. What is the efficiency of Carnot engine? Eta is 1 minus sink temperature by source temperature, isn't it? 1 minus source temperature is, sink temperature is T2. Here T2 is sink temperature, it is 100 divided by the source temperature is 400. Clear? This is 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. Okay, 3 by 4. That is 0.75. Okay, into percentage it is 75%. 75% it is, isn't it? So this statement is also correct. C is also correct. Okay. Now fourth one, when small temperature difference between a liquid and its surrounding is quadrupled. Okay, quadrupled, the rate of loss of heat of the liquid becomes twice. It is incorrect. Okay, because this statement and the first statement are contradictory. This is incorrect only. So out of this, A, B and C are correct. A, B, C are correct. A, B, C only. A, B, C only. So the answer of the question is A, B, C. Clear? So it is A. Option A. Very good. Okay. Yes. Now moving to the next one. Third one. Heat energy of 735 joule is given to a diatomic gas. This is a diatomic gas. Keep it in mind. Allowing the gas to expand at constant pressure. The process is isobaric. Listen, the process is isobaric. Very important. Then, each gas molecule rotates around an internal axis but do not oscillate. Means this diatomic molecule has no oscillation. Means it is having only translation and rotation. Means the degree of freedom is diatomic molecule and the degree of freedom is here 5 only. As usual, as we take it is 5 only. Okay. Now, the increase in the internal energy of the gas will be, what is the increase in the internal energy of the gas? Listen, This term, 735 joule is the amount of heat energy supplied. The amount of heat energy supplied is delta Q is equal to 735 joule. Clear? Now, in the case of isobaric process, there is a ratio that delta U divided by delta Q is equal to 1 by gamma. We need to study this expression. Okay, this is obtained only from thermodynamics, the first law of thermodynamics. Okay, first law of thermodynamics, delta U by delta Q is equal to 1 by gamma. Actually, first law of thermodynamics is this one, delta Q is delta U plus delta W. Clear? Now, by dividing this with dividing all terms with delta U means 1 plus delta W divided by delta U. Okay, this is 1 plus delta W is, what is delta W is F by 2. See, what delta W means, work done during isobaric process is NR delta T. NR delta T divided by delta U is F by 2 NR delta T. Clear? Delta NR delta T cancel. And this is what? F 1 by F by 2, that is 2 by F. This is gamma only. This is gamma only. You understood? Now, delta Q by delta U is gamma means, what is delta U by delta Q is 1 by gamma. That's it. Now, this is 1 divided by, what is gamma value of diatomic? Gamma value of diatomic is 7 by 5. 7 divided by 5. That is equal to 5 divided by 7. You understood? Now, what is this delta U then? This delta U is 5 divided by 7 of delta Q. 5 divided by 7 of delta Q given 735. Okay, 735. Now, this is 5 into 735 by 7 is 1, 0, then 35 by 7 is 5. Okay, 5 into 105. 5 into 105 is 525 joule, isn't it? 525 joule. So, the answer is option A only. Third question, answer is option A. Okay, yeah. Now, this one, fourth. A hypothetical gas expands adiabatically such that its volume changes from, remember this process is given adiabatically, clear, such that its volume changes from 8 liters to 27 liters if the ratio of final pressure of the gas to initial pressure of the gas is 16 by 81. Final pressure divided by initial pressure is given 16 divided by 81. Okay, and the initial volume V1 is 8 liters and the final volume V2 is given as 27 liters. Okay, now if the ratio, then the ratio of Cp to Cv is asked. What is Cp divided by Cv? We know Cp by Cv is called gamma. It is called gamma, that is the ratio of specific heats. Okay, now this is asked and the process is mentioned as adiabatic process. Okay, and the ratio of pressure and volume are given. Then what is the equation connecting pressure and volume in the case of an adiabatic process? That P into V raised to gamma is constant. Okay, now this is P1 V1 raised to gamma is equal to P2 V2 raised to gamma. Understood? Now what this P1 by P2 is equal to V2 divided by V1 all raised to gamma. Okay, then P1 by P2 is given here. See, P1 by P2 is given here 18 by 16. Okay, 18 divided by 16. Okay, here the final pressure, the ratio of final pressure to initial pressure is this 16 by 81. So P1 by P2 is 81 divided by 16 is equal to V2 by V1. V2 by V1 is 27 divided by 8 all raised to gamma. All raised to gamma. This is the relation. Understood? Now we check what this gamma value, these are 4 options given. Now we can check this, the first option 4 by 3. If it is 4 by 3 means cube root of this one 27 by 8. Cube root of 27 by 8 is what? It is 3 divided by 2 and then 3 by 2 raised to 4. 3 by 2 raised to 4. 3 when we check it, cube root of 27 by 8 is 3 by 4, 3 by 2 and its raised to 4 is what? 81 by 16 only. 81 by 16 only. Okay, we can check so. So the answer is the first one only. 4 by 3 is the answer. Understood? It's very simple. Clear? The direct connection between pressure and volume in the case of adiabatic process. Okay, very good. Now, fifth one, given below are 2 statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is reason. We can check. Assertion. Efficiency of a reversible heat engine will be highest at minus 273 degrees C. It is correct because the formula of efficiency is 1 minus T2 divided by T1. And this efficiency will be maximum at minus 273 degrees. Minus 273 degree means the temperature of this sink is 0 Kelvin. You understood? This is in degrees Celsius, should be converted into Kelvin unit. Now this is 0 Kelvin, 0 Kelvin. 0 Kelvin means the second term will be 0, means the efficiency becomes 1. The efficiency becomes highest at this temperature. At this temperature, that statement is true. Okay. Now reason, the efficiency of Carnot's engine depends not only on temperature of cold reservoir, but it depends on the temperature of hot reservoir too, and is given as efficiency is 1 minus T2 by T1. 1 minus T2 by T1. The second statement is also true, and that is the correct explanation. Correct explanation. So our answer is assertion is true and reason is also true, and the correct explanation. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. That is the fourth option. Understood? Very good. Now moving to the next one is heat is given to an ideal gas in an isothermal process. This is the process named isothermal process. Now, we know the first law of thermodynamics that delta Q is delta U plus delta W. In an isothermal process, this term goes to 0, which means delta Q is equal to delta W. Okay. Now we can check the options. First one, internal energy of the gas. See, these statements are there. Okay. Some statements A, B, C, D, E. Internal energy of the gas will decrease. Internal energy of the gas is not going to decrease or increase. The change is 0. So this statement A is incorrect. Internal energy remains constant. Okay. Now internal energy of the gas will increase also. Incorrect. Internal energy of the gas will not change. That is true. C is true. Now the gas will do positive work. Yes. If heat is given to, means delta Q is positive, heat is given to, okay, then work done is also positive because they are equal. Clear? Then the gas will do positive work means D is correct. C and D are correct now. Now E, the gas will do negative work is incorrect. So C and D are correct. C and D only means option 4 is the answer. Option 4 is the answer. Understood? Okay. Seventh one, listen. At 300 Kelvin, the RMS speed of oxygen molecule is root of alpha plus 5 divided by alpha times to that of its average speed in the gas. Students, in the case of an ideal gas, we have 3 speeds there. RMS speed formula is root of 3 RT divided by molar mass. Now, average speed formula is root of 8 RT divided by pi m. Okay. Yes. Clear? And there is most probable speed is there. VMP, most probable speed is root of 2 RT by m. Okay. These 3 speeds are there in the case of an ideal gas. Okay. In this question, it is relation between RMS speed and average speed. Okay. In this question, it is said that at 300 Kelvin, the RMS speed is root of alpha plus 5 divided by alpha times of V average is given in the question. And the value of alpha is asked. The value of alpha. What is this? Root of V RMS is what? Root of 3 RT by molar mass. Okay. Is equal to root of alpha plus 5 divided by alpha into V average. What is V average? Is root of 8 RT divided by pi into molar mass. Clear? Now here RT by M is cancelled. Now root 3 is equal to this one. Root 3 is equal to root of alpha plus 5 divided by alpha into root of 8 by pi. Clear? Squaring both sides we get 3 is equal to alpha plus 5 divided by alpha into 8 by pi. Okay, this one. Now this one is 3 alpha pi is equal to 8 alpha plus 8 into 5 is 40. Clear? Now we can place this pi as 22 by 7. 22 by 7. 3 alpha into pi as 22 by 7 is equal to 8 alpha plus 40. Okay, now solving this. See, this one is equal to 66 alpha by 7 minus 8 alpha is equal to 40. Okay, now 66 alpha minus 56 alpha, that is 10 alpha by 7. 10 alpha by 7 is equal to 40. Moving to the next one. 10 alpha by 7 is equal to 40. Now 0 0 cut, we get alpha is equal to 4 into 7, that is 28. Okay, very simple. Alpha is equal to 28 is the answer. 28 is the answer, option B. You understood? This is the question regarding the speed of gas molecule. Here RMS speed and average speed are connected. Okay, yes, very good. Now 8th question is, see, given below are two statements. Statement 1. The temperature of a gas is minus 73 degrees C. When the gas is heated to 527 degrees C, the RMS speed of the molecule is doubled. We can check. Minus 73 degrees C means 200 Kelvin. Okay. And this 527 degrees C means 800 Kelvin. Okay. Means here temperature is increased 4 times. Okay. And we know RMS speed proportional to root of temperature. Okay, so temperature increased 4 times means RMS speed is doubled. Okay, so this is the correct statement. Statement 1 is true. Statement 1 is true. Okay, now statement 2. The product of pressure and volume of an ideal gas will be equal to translational kinetic energy of the molecule. Is that correct, students? Is that correct? Product of pressure and volume is translational kinetic energy, saying K trans. Is that correct? It is incorrect. Why? We know the translational kinetic energy K trans is equal to 3 by 2 into nRT. 3 by 2 into nRT in the case of a gas molecule. And this nRT is PV. That is 3 by 2 times of PV only. This is K translation. K translational is 3 by 2 times of PV. Not PV. Actually, PV is equal to 2 by 3 times of K translational. Okay. So this statement is incorrect. Statement 2 is incorrect. Statement 1 is correct. Understood? So the answer is what? Statement 1 is false. Both statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Answer is option B. Yes. Yes, it is option B only. Very good. Somebody are commenting. Thank you. And the 9th one is, see, 9th one, the average kinetic energy of a molecule of the gas is. Average kinetic energy. What is the kinetic energy of a molecule? Means F by 2 times of kBT. In the case of a single molecule, it is F by 2 times of kBT. So it is directly proportional to temperature, proportional to absolute temperature. That is option A. Yes, it is option A. Clear? Very good. It is option A only. And the 10th one, the root mean square velocity of molecule of gas is. Yes, it's very direct. VRMS. VRMS is equal to root of 3RT by M. It is proportional to root of temperature. It is proportional to root of temperature. Proportional to square of temperature. No. Inversely proportional. No. Proportional to square root of temperature. That is the answer. Option C. Understood? So very simple questions are usually coming from thermodynamics. Keep studying well. Okay. See you. Thank you. Good night.
Yes, hello dear students, good evening all. Yes, today we are going to do that daily practice question from redox chapter and electrochemistry. Yes, hope you all are there and seriously preparing for JEE. Yes. 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 Thank you all. Thank you all. Yes, now we can start. See, question number 1. You know the question from redox chapter, which of the following reaction, okay, only one is redox. Of the following reaction, only one is redox reaction. Identify this reaction. You know redox reactions, the basic idea question. Reaction in which both oxidation and reduction simultaneously. Yes, yeah, shiny sabu, yes, hi all. Yes, see the question is, which one is a redox among the following that we need to find out. See the first one here itself, I'll write the oxidation number, that would be better. You know that one here, when you consider the first equation, you know that one calcium is +2 over here, okay, and the left side as well the +2, so it will not undergo oxidation or reduction. Even hydrogen over here it is +1, here also it is +1, oxygen will be -2, so no change in oxidation number, means it's not a redox reaction. Let us go for the B. See S2O7 2-, you know that one S2O7 2-, you heard right, S2O7 2-, it is ion of this one, you know that one sulfuric acid 2 molecule when combined together. That type of question may come, so I'll explain that one. You know that one from H2 S2O7, when 2 hydrogen is removing, that is called S2O7 S2O7 2-. You know that one, it's called oleum, okay, pyrosulfuric acid or oleum. So the structure, if you want, this type of question they ask for the oxidation number of sulfur and all. You know that one, here the oxidation number will come as +6. If you have doubt, I'll expand this one. You know that one, sulfuric acid, you can remember easily, 2 molecule of sulfuric acid when combined, double bond O, okay, double bond O, and you know that one, OH over here and OH over here, another sulfuric acid, double bond O. You know that one, double bond O, single bond OH and single bond OH. You can remove you remove one water molecule by considering like this one. This is actually called disulfuric acid or pyrosulfuric acid. Then the structure can be known like this one, double bond O, okay, double bond O, here it will be OH, then here it will be oxygen, again sulfur it will be, okay, then double bond oxygen, you know that one, this is OH, okay. When H is removing that, you know that one, here it is, when H removes, this will be, here H removes, that will be -1, and you know that one, here it will be -2, double bond oxygen, -2, and this one as well as -1, here also -2, this will be -1, this will be -2, and when you consider all this one, -2, -4, -1, this will be +6, here also +6. So 2 sulfur, so 2x is equal to total +12, so x is equal to +6. Okay, this is just for understanding this type of ion they will ask. Yes, Fatima, yes, here the oxidation number of sulfur is +6, and in SO4 2- as well, you know that one, it is +6. Okay, that you can substitute directly. Oxygen is 4 into -2 is equal to -8. -8 when comes to right hand side, +8. So here also sulfur does not undergo oxidation or reduction. Hydrogen as well is same, only here it is +1, here also +1. Will not change. And what about the third one, BaCl2? Here it is +2. You know that one, right? So here it is +2, here it is magnesium is +2, here also barium +2 and magnesium +2. No change. But what about the fourth one? Obviously the fourth one will be the answer. You know that one, here sulfur will be, copper will be +1. And here copper is what, 0. So +1 to 0, it's reduction. Okay, and sulfur here it is -2. Clear? Sulfur is -2. Then -2 to here it will be +4, SO4. -2 to +4, that is called oxidation. Okay, oxidation. So oxidation and reduction is there. And one more element, if you want, you can consider, you know that one, here Fe as well undergo reduction, I think. Here, you know that one, here it is +2. Okay, here it is 0. That as well undergo reduction. Doesn't matter, but oxidation and reduction is there. So that is the right option. Okay, just to explain this one, I gave the structure. So right option is D. Okay, so correct answer is option D. Hope you understood. Yeah. We can go for the next question, question number 12. See, this is the easy one. Just before we did, I think no need to explain anything. What is the oxidation number of S in SO4? You know that one, oxygen is -2. So x plus 4 into -2 equal to -2. X minus 8 is equal to -2. X is equal to +6. The easiest one, I think. Okay, so x is equal to +6. Next one, question number 30. The oxidation number of phosphorus in KH2PO2. H2PO2, you know that one, it's called hypophosphite, that H2PO2. Okay, even that phosphorus will come like this one, P double bond O. Okay, and here it will be this one, double bond O, that 2 hydrogen will come again. Here it will be O, that O minus will combine with K, and here it is 1H, and here it is 1H, you can represent. That is H2PO2 minus is called hypophosphite. That you keep in mind, sometimes they may give the name. That's why I wrote this one is plus 1, you know that 1 plus, and this will be 1 minus. You can directly give the oxidation number over here. You know that one here potassium is plus 1. So if you are taking phosphorus as X, you know that one plus 1 for potassium, 2 into plus 1 for hydrogen plus X plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 0. It's a neutral compound. Okay, it's quite easy. Then you know that one you will be getting, here it is plus 3 plus X minus 4 is equal to 0. That X is equal to plus 1. Correct? Okay, so right option is A. Yes, Hanna, good. Yes, you can send your right answer, try yourself. Okay, so correct answer is plus 1 for this 13th one. Now we will go to the 14th. Yes, 14th one is the question related to question from the electrochemistry chapter, but related to equilibrium. See, the equilibrium constant for the reaction Cu plus 2Ag plus gives Cu2 plus Ag, an easy equation they gave, and E naught value has given. So E naught value is equal to, E naught value has given, E naught value is equal to 0.46 volt has given. They are asking to calculate the equilibrium constant. You know that one, there is a relation for E naught cell and equilibrium constant. E naught cell is equal to 0.05 because 298 has given 0.0591 divided by n, okay, log Kc. So I'll substitute the value. The values can be substituted as E naught cell is equal to 0.46 is equal to 0.0591 divided by number of electron involved is 2. Okay, so divided by 2 into log Kc. You know that one, this value we know, the 0.0591 divided by 2 will be 0.0295, correct, into log Kc. Then what is log Kc? So log Kc is equal to 0.46 divided by 0.0295, correct? Then you can substitute the value, you can solve the value, that is 46 divided by 2.95. See, 46 divided by 2.95 approximately equal to 50. This will be 3. 15 into 3 will be 45. Approximately I said this one only we need because 15 point something will come. That 15 point means that you know that one, it is log Kc. Then what will be Kc? So Kc is equal to anti-log of, okay, anti-log of that value. That means 15 point something. This will be the hint for the answer. Integer part is 15 means that will be 10 power 15. That type of only one answer will be there. Yes. So right answer is C. 4 into 10 power 15. This one. Okay. Hope you got. Yes. Yes. Good. So question number 15. So 15th one is, which of the following electrolytic solution has the least specific conductance? See, specific conductance is nothing but it's called conductivity. Okay, conductivity proportional to 1 by dilution. Okay, it's conductivity they are asking. So conductivity and this one, yeah, dilution we can say, because specific conductance is nothing but conductivity. Conductivity decreases on dilution. So conductivity directly proportional to dilution we can say. Okay, dilution. So conductivity and dilution are directly proportional, means maximum dilution, means dilution is maximum. Sorry, conductivity they are asking with dilution. So 1 by dilution we can say, maximum dilution means least conductivity. So here they are asking what has the least specific conductance or conductivity. So we can say 1 by dilution. Okay, so dilution when increases, conductivity will be least. So correct answer is which one? Correct answer is D, option D. Yes. So least concentration means least concentration is what? 0.002. Least concentration means least concentration, that means maximum dilution. Maximum dilution means least conductivity, inversely proportional. So dilution is maximum, conductivity will be least. Question number 16. So question number 16, the hydrogen electrode is dipped in a solution of pH equal to 3. So pH has given at 25 degrees Celsius, the potential of the cell would be, see, potential of the cell would be, here there is one correction I think, the value of 2.03 RT divided by F, okay, that is given. 2.03 divided by RT, 2.03 RT by F, that already we learned, that is 0.059 volt. What they are asking, hydrogen electrode is dipped in a solution of pH is equal to 3. pH is equal to 3 means, keep in mind, what is the H plus ion concentration? H plus ion concentration is 10 power minus 3. Hope you got that. We have done, and even for normal CBSE, you know that one. So H plus ion concentration equal to 10 power minus 3. What is our equation for hydrogen electrode? We know that one, E of H plus slash H2 is equal to E naught of H plus slash H2 minus 0.0591 divided by N log 1 divided by H plus ion concentration raised to 2 will come. How 2 will come? Because you know the equation is 2H plus 2 electron gives H2. So here coefficient is 2, that is why H plus raised to 2 will come. Now substitute the value. They are asking to find out the electrode potential, which means this one. Standard electrode potential of hydrogen is 0. 0 minus 0.0591 divided by 2. Okay, log 1 divided by H plus ion concentration is 10 power minus 3 whole power 2. So it's equal to 0 minus 0.0591 divided by 2 into log 10 power 6 will come. Minus 6 when comes to numerator, it will be log 10 power 6 is equal to 0 minus 0.0295. Okay, when you divide into 6 log 10. So 6 log 10 means, you know that one, this will be log 10 power 6 can be expanded as 6 log 10. So the value will be, okay, 0 minus negative. So 0.0295 into 6, I think the value will be, yes, negative 0.177 volt. Check your answer. Yes, right answer is, yes, Ruben, correct. Right answer is minus 0. Yes, yes, Karthik, the, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Previous one. No, I call the students. Yes, so minus 0.177 volt, that is the right answer for this one. Okay, so answer is D. Question number 17. By diluting a weak electrolyte, specific conductivity, see again the logic that we used for the second means last to last question, specific conductivity. Okay, which means conductivity and equivalent conductivity. You know what is equivalent molar conductance and equivalent conductance? Molar conductance, we have an equation, lambda m is equal to K into 1000 divided by C. At the same time, lambda equivalent conductance, okay, equivalent conductance is equal to same only K into 1000 divided by N will come. What is N? Normality. Normality means nothing but here concentration means, you know that one, N. Okay, N by V will come. N by V means mass divided by molar mass into V will come. But for normality, you know that one, mass divided by equivalent mass will come. Equivalent mass into volume. That is only difference. So equivalent mass is nothing but molar mass divided by valency. So you know that one, molarity and normality only difference is that here mass by molar mass, here mass divided by molar mass by valency will come. That is only different. So actually it is the variation you can consider as the same. Both lambda m and lambda equivalent conductance, you know that one increases with increase in dilution. So this both will increases on dilution. That we learned, increases on dilution. So when dilution increases, molar conductivity increases. But what about conductivity? That is what we just learned. Conductivity, okay, conductivity decreases on dilution. Conductivity decreases on dilution, that you keep in mind, which means when you are adding water, number of ions per unit volume decreases, because conductivity is based on unit volume in 1 centimeter cube volume. In 1 centimeter cube volume of electrolyte, how many ions are there? That determines the conductivity. So on dilution means the number of ionic interaction decreases. The ions will have a tendency to move away. number of ions will decrease. Number of ion decreases means conductivity decreases. But here you know that one molar conductivity and equivalent conductivity, molar conductivity or equivalent conductivity, it's same. You know that one, when dilution means when you are adding water, conductivity, molar conductivity as well as equivalent conductivity increases. Okay, that is for strong and weak electrolyte we learned. So what is the right answer for this one? Right answer is, you know that one, Kc, that means conductivity, and this one increase. So this one decreases, the other one increases. So right answer. Yes, hi.
C, sir.
It's okay. So correct answer is option C. Okay, hope you got. Question number 18. Yes. When X amperes of current is passed through a molten aluminum chloride for 96.5 seconds, 0.09 gram of aluminum is deposited. What is the value of X? Here you know that one, it's based on the first law, Faraday's first law of electrolysis. I'll write the equation directly. M equal to atomic mass into IT divided by NF. So we can substitute the value directly, only they are asking to calculate which one, how much ampere of current is passed. So M means mass of substance deposited, 96.5, yes correct, is equal to atomic mass of aluminum, you know that one, it is 27, into I that they are asking to calculate, into time they gave 90, sorry, here I think the, yes, here the value is, I'm sorry, 0.09, yes. Here the value is 96.5 second, divided by N is, you know that one, valency of aluminum is 3, into Faraday is 96,500. Okay. Now we can take out I is equal to 0.09 into 3 into 96,500 divided by 27 into 96.5. We can cut the value over here, that is easy. Yes. So here it will be, I'll write 9 into 3 into 965. This 100 I multiplied over here, divided by 27 into 96.5. I think it's quite easy. Now we can cut the value. So if you are cutting, this will be 3, this 3 cancel, this will be 10 over 10 ampere. Correct? Yes. So right answer is, yes, right answer is option A, 10 amperes of current should be passed, then only that much amount of substance will be deposited. Yes. Question number 19. The 19th one is, in the electrochemical reaction 2Fe3 plus Zn gives Zn2 plus 2Fe2 plus, increasing the concentration of Fe2 plus. It's an easy one. I'll write the equation and will tell you. E cell is equal to, you know that one, E naught cell minus 0.0591 divided by N log. You know that one, here anion concentration divided by, or product concentration divided by reactant we can write. So product side we have Zn2 plus concentration as well as Fe2 plus I can write, and the coefficient is there, so I will write 2. Okay, then after that, you know that one, denominator which will come, Fe3 plus concentration will come, and the power will be power is 2, coefficient is 2 over there. You know that one, for entrance we usually use this equation as inverse in the sense this sign can be, so that we can write it as E cell is equal to E naught cell plus, if you are taking, then the variation we can explain easily, 0.0591 divided by N log, this will goes to the numerator, then Fe3 plus concentration raised to 2 divided by Zn2 plus concentration into Fe2 plus concentration raised to 2. Now the variation you can, otherwise also you can explain, but this would be easy. So you know that one, they are asking about Fe2 plus. Fe2 plus concentration increases. Now it is inversely proportional. Fe2 plus concentration when increases, E cell value decreases. Okay, so what will happen? It decreases the cell EMF. So right answer is which one? C. Yes, correct. So decreases the EMF. This is the way you can remember. If you change the sign over here, it will be inverse. Correct. So when that one increases, this one decreases. So right option is C. The last one. The last one, the values of lambda m naught or equivalent conductance, and this one, you know that one, lambda m naught is same. NH4Cl, NaOH. This is based on Kohlrash's law. They gave NH4Cl value, NaOH value, NaCl are respectively. The values are given. They are asking the lambda m naught of NH4OH. Calculation is same. We have the equation lambda m naught of NH4OH is equal to lambda m naught of, okay, NH4 plus lambda m naught of OH minus. This is our equation. This can be formed by considering which all one, lambda m naught of, listen, lambda m naught of NH4Cl, lambda m naught of NH4Cl is equal to lambda m naught of NH4 plus Cl minus, equation number 1. Second one, lambda m naught of NaOH. So lambda m naught of NaOH is equal to lambda m naught of Na plus OH minus. This is equation number 2. The last one is lambda m naught of NaCl. Lambda m naught of NaCl is equal to lambda m naught of Na plus Cl minus, equation number 3. You know that one, which all we require? We require this one NH4 plus, this is required and this is required. This one should be cancelled. This one should be cancelled, which means equation number 1 plus 2 minus equation number 3 will give you this one. It's correct only. So what is equation number 1? Equation number 1 means NH4Cl. That value has given. NH4Cl value is what? 149.74 plus what is the NaOH value? NaOH value is 248.1. Okay. Then you have to subtract. Here it will be 4, then 8, 7, then 9, 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this one minus, then you will be getting the 3 equation is what? 126 point, what is the value? 4. So when you are subtracting this one, you know that one, here it will be 4, then it will be 1, this will be 7, then it will be 2. So 271, yeah, correct answer is here. So we know that one, B, 271.44, over. Hope you got this one. Yes, practice the question. If you have any, yeah. So this type of question you can expect. And thank you, dear students. Bye bye. See you on next class. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, good evening guys. Welcome back to our live DPP session. In today's math session, we will be going with inverse trigonometry functions. I hope in today's morning session also we had gone with enough properties and the concepts with respect to complete inverse trigonometry functions. We'll start with hi Hashmita. Hi, good evening guys. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Hi Mr. Ruben Johnny. Good evening sir. Good evening Hannah. Good evening friend. Shall we start guys? I hope it's time to start. We'll start it. See guys, from inverse trigonometric functions, if there is any particular question, that has to be from properties only. So no matter what. Now going with this particular question, if you see guys, the process we solve is also very important. Already such type of questions also we have seen in trigonometry also, like sin inverse x plus sin inverse y plus sin inverse z is equals to pi by 2. Like for most easiest thing, what we do, we take x is equals to y is equals to z. That's it. If you take x is equals to y is equals to z, what happens? 3 sin inverse x is equals to pi by 2. Therefore now sin inverse x is equals to pi by 6. That means x is equals to sin pi by 6. हो गया. If x is equals to sin pi by 6, value of sin pi by 6 is Karthik B. Wow, super friend, super. Then they are asking x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xyz. What do you mean by this? A plus b plus c. Acha, oh no. So x square plus y square plus z square. That is 3 times of 1 by 2 whole square plus 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube. This becomes 3 into, so 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is equals to 1. That's it. Yes guys, so simple. Awesome Karthik. Very good Karthik. Very good Ashmita. Very good Rohit. Hey, hi Mr. Rohit. Hi. Oh, where is Abu? Did he decide that isn't good enough for you? Okay Karthik, okay. Very good Ashmita. Very good friend. Very good. Chala, we'll go with the next question. Simple questions only guys. Next, in today's session already first we have seen sin inverse of minus x can be written as minus sin inverse x. Nah? Sine inverse of minus x can be written as minus sine inverse x. So this can be written as plus sine inverse of root 3 by 2. This is the first step. Next, sine of pi by 2 plus, what is sine inverse of root 3 by 2? Clearly, when do we get root 3 by 2, Karthik? When do we get root 3 by 2? For sine pi by 3. So sine of pi by 2 plus pi by 3. Next, sine 90 plus theta, which is equals to cos pi by 3, which is equals to 1 by 2. That's it, option C. Very good, Karthik. Very good, very good, very good. Ashmita, fine. Friends, chalo. Very good, ma, very good. That's it. Most simplest thing. See, from inverse trigonometric functions, we expect one particular question, and that question, no doubt, no matter what, I already said in the beginning, either from properties or from sigma related sums or exclusively from property 2, that is T inverse of T. Okay, guys, good. Coming to the next question, sine of cot inverse of, this is like, can anyone tell me which property we are supposed to use? Like, which property we are supposed to use to solve this particular 23rd question? Just tell me property, that's it. Today I have given some names to the properties also. Which property we are supposed to use to solve this, to simplify this? Tell me guys, tell me. Which property we are supposed to use? Guys, there are many in the session. I need response. Fast. Or you want me to answer myself? Please. Triangle method. Yeah, very good, Ashmita. Very good, Karthik. Very good, Ashmita. Super, guys. Very good. Beautiful students. Are only Karthik and Ashmita intelligent in this session or what? What about Ruben? What about Rohit? Ansh? Fahad? Syed? Abu? Where were you guys? And Encore Games, where were you today? Aaron, Arnav, many students. Stuti, are you there? Stuti, Rashmika, Mandana, Atmika, Ashmita is fine. Nandita, where were you? Okay, guys, we'll yes. This is what Hannah. Sorry, Hannah. I'm extremely sorry. Hi, Hannah. Well, no. Hannah. Yes, I know that you will be definitely answered. So that's the reason I didn't mention your name. Okay. So coming to this particular thing, this we can simplify it by using interchanging property. That is what triangle method they can see. See, first cos of tan inverse x. First tan inverse has to be expressed in terms of cos. Okay. So sine of cot inverse of cos of tan inverse x means tan inverse x means, suppose for the angle, if this is x, this is 1, this will be under root 1 plus x square. So this can be written as cos inverse of tan inverse x can be written as cos inverse of 1 by root 1 plus x square. Now cos of cos inverse, directly we can remove that sine of cot inverse of cos inverse will be under root 1 by 1 plus x square. That's it. Now we no need of this particular thing now. Now chalo, we'll see this. What about this? Cot inverse has to be expressed in terms of sine. Cot inverse has to be expressed in terms of sine. Great Ashmita. Very good. Super answer. Extraordinary. Yes, cot inverse has to be expressed as, suppose if you take cot inverse of 1 by under root 1 plus x square is equals to some theta, then from there cot theta will be equals to under root 1 by 1 plus x square. What do you mean by cot? Cot means adjacent by opposite. So this will be square root of x square plus 1, that will be x square plus 2. So directly this can be written as cot inverse can be written as sine inverse of opposite. Opposite is root 1 plus x square by hypotenuse is root 2 plus x square. So that becomes sine of sine inverse will be clearly, final answer will be my x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 2. Very good student. Very good friends. Very good Hannah. Very good Ashmita. Very good friends. Very good. Super awesome. Chalo, we'll go with the next question. Friends, already we did the same question in class. So I am not going to do this. Sine of cot inverse of x plus 1, same like the previous case. How did we do? Same by like expressing cot inverse in terms of sine, tan inverse in terms of cos. That's it. Already I guess, see, tan inverse here I have expressed in terms of cos as cos inverse of root 1 by 1 plus x square. The same. Okay. We did the same question in class. I hope you remember. If you are not able to do, just go with the previous question itself. See, tan inverse x has to be expressed in terms of cos by using our interchanging process, interchanging property. That's it. We are done with this. I'm just skipping this, friends. Next, cos inverse of 4 by 5 plus tan inverse of 3 by 5. Cos inverse 4 by 5. Yes, exactly. It's exactly. So there is hi Sudhir. Hi. Hi friend, hi, good evening boss, good evening. So coming to cos inverse 4 by 5 plus tan inverse 3 by 5. Friends, very simple property by using tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Coming to this cos inverse of 4, already we have a very detailed explanation in the class that. Thank you Sudhir, thank you so much ma, thank you so much. Coming to this particular thing, see friends, whenever you have like one trigonometry function plus another trigonometry function, make sure you try to convert both of the same, and that too in terms of tan inverse. That will be much simple. So try to express this in terms of tan inverse and this also in terms of tan inverse. Already we had this in tan inverse. Now just what is cos inverse of 4 by 5? Cos inverse of 4 by 5 can be written as, generally cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. So opposite will be my 3 divided by 4. This is clearly tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 3 by 5. This is clearly of the form tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. That becomes tan inverse x plus tan inverse y will be tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. So tan inverse of that becomes 5 3s 15 plus 4 3s are 12 divided by 5 4s are 20. That 5 4s are 20 minus 9 whole divided by 20. 20 gets cancelled. That becomes tan inverse of 15 plus 12 17 divided by 20 minus 9 11. So tan inverse of 17 divided by 11. 17 divided by 11. 27 it is. I'm sorry. Tan inverse of 27 divided by 11. That's it. Option A. Simple. Very good, Ashmita. Very good. So simple it is. The thing is, whenever you are having like two inverse trigonometric functions in sum, make sure they are of the same one. Like if one is sine inverse, the other is cos inverse, express. I always suggest you to express everything in terms of tan inverse, because finding summation or difference in terms of tan inverse is so simple. All trigonometric functions, all inverse trigonometric functions has to be expressed in terms of tan inverse. Then we get everything in a very easy way, either sum or difference. Very good, Karthik. Thank you, Hanna. Thank you. I got it. Rocky boy. Salam, Rocky boy. Yes, sir. Very good, KK, sir. Very good. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Very good, Michael. Very good, Rohit. Very good. That's it. Good. Chalo. By looking at this particular question, we can give its answer. Can anyone? Just one second. Like it won't even take more than 1 second. It won't even take more than 1 second, friends. By looking at it, we can get the answer. What value? It's A, na? Wow, super man, super Ruben. Very good, man. Super. Very good, Ashmita. Very good, Karthik. Very good, Rocky boy. KGF sir. Very good, Hanna. Very good, Rohit. Very good. See, so reciprocal, or even like put x equals to 1, boss. Or nothing, no need to put anything. You know why? Because sin inverse x plus cos inverse x pi by 2. Sin inverse 1 by x plus cos inverse x is again pi by 2. So pi by 2 plus pi by 2 pi. Salam, Rocky boy. Yes, friends. Yes. That's it. Yes, he can be, man. He will be, Karthik. He will be. Not only he, even we can be. What is there in that? It's not something. It's not something that we can't. We can, man. We can. Very good, Anit. Very good. Hi, Anit. Jane. Good evening, sir. Yes, that's it. It's pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Now going with the next question. Again guys, we have 2 tan inverse something plus tan inverse. First we have to simplify the 2 tan inverse. First, yes, Ruben, AR1, okay. Chalo, we'll go with this. How do we simplify this? First we have to express 2 tan inverse in terms of tan inverse of something. Then we can add them. So we have 2 tan inverse x formula. 2 tan inverse x is equals to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. Na? So 2 tan inverse 1 by 3 mean tan inverse of 2 by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 9. That becomes tan inverse of 2 by 3 of 1 minus 1 by 9 is 8 by 9. So 3 1s are 3 3s are, next 2 1s are 2 4s are. This clearly becomes tan inverse of 3 by 4. See, now this is entirely now tan inverse of 3 by 4 plus tan inverse of 1 by 2. We can just use our tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. That's it. Very good, Anit. Very good, man. Very good. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y means tan inverse x plus tan inverse y means tan inverse of x plus y. That is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 whole divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. So tan inverse of 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. 2 3 6 plus 4. That is 2 3 is 6 plus 4. 10 divided by 8 whole divided by 8 minus 3 divided by 8. 8 gets cancelled. Tan inverse of 10 divided by 8 minus 3 which is equals to 5. So finally tan inverse of 2. Option D. Very good. What is the answer? Very good, friend. Very good, Ashmita. Very good, Johnny. Very good, Ruben. Very good, Hannah. That's it. It's clearly it's a direct question. There is nothing. Not only like, see, it's not this particular question is direct. Majority of the questions from inverse trigonometric functions are only property related, man, because there is no other go. If you are enough thorough with properties, case is important, guys. So see, here x into y less than 1, that's the reason why we have taken tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Imagine if x into y greater than 1, then what we would have taken? We would have taken pi plus something, pi plus of. Sir, please in Hindi. No, friends, like if you ask me anything in Hindi, I can give you answer for Hindi. That's okay, but because everyone like are stick to English, no? So majority every question from inverse trigonometric functions stick to the properties itself, stick to the properties. But in those properties, cases are very important, like x into y greater than 1, x into y less than 1, x into y equals to 1. Clear? Qatar is not a Hindi country. Yes, Shiny. Yes. Okay, madam. Okay, sir. Thank you. Chalo, guys. Next. 28th question. It's a direct question, I guess. Direct question. Nothing needed in this. Nothing needed. Not even a second. Even we feel like second is wasted by solving this. No need to put pen. Nothing. Tell me, friend. Karthik, see. Wow. So simple. That's it. First time I am hearing about a Hindi country. Rohit Wala, focus on this, man. Very good, Ruben. Very good, Ashwita. Super friend you are. Super. Tan of 90 minus theta. Cot inverse of 1 by 3. Now cot inverse 1 by 3 is directly 1 by 3. That's it. Very good. Next one. Same, guys, as usual, like we have discussed before. This cos inverse 4 by 5 first has to be expressed in terms of tan inverse. Okay. So we have tan inverse of, just now we did I guess. Okay, no issues. This can be written as tan inverse of 3 by 4 plus tan inverse of 2 by 3. First let's try to simplify. Now this is tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. So that becomes tan inverse is only this angle now. So directly 3 3 is 9 plus 4 2 is 8 whole divided by 3 4 is 12 divided by, this can be done as 4 3 is 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 whole divided by 12. 12 gets cancelled. 9 plus 8 17 divided by 6. Answer is directly 17 by 6. Yes, yes, Ashmita, super. Yes, Shiny, super. Hanna, super. Karthik, super. Extraordinary. 17 by 6 is going to be our final answer. Katam. Katam. Last question for today's session, guys. Last question for today's session. आपके अलग सर को जानता नहीं. Yeah, I know him. I know. Yes, thank you. Yes, Anit Jain. Yes. Physics वाला का founder. I know, मालूम. Tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3. This is so simple question, but looks like typical. Generally, see, we can just take like each as some. This is x, this is y, and this is z. Okay. Now we have taken x is equals to tan inverse 1. Next, y is equals to tan inverse 2. Z is equals to tan inverse 3. Z is equals to tan inverse 3. Okay. Actually, majority. I'll tell you one more thing also. Now, if you see this, they are asking us to find x plus y plus z. For that, first we find tan of x plus y plus z. Okay. What is tan of x plus y plus z? Tan of a plus b plus c. Tan of a plus b plus c is tan a plus tan b plus tan c minus tan a into tan b into tan c whole divided by. Thank you. Yes, ma. Alak sir, learned maths from Karthik sir only. What are you saying? Okay, Rohit sir. Okay. Thank you. This is nothing but tan x plus tan y plus tan z. Rohit wala minus tan x into tan. Sorry. Yes. Tan x into tan y into tan z whole divided by 1 minus tan x tan y minus tan y tan z into tan z tan x minus tan z into tan x. Now if you see, if x is equals to tan inverse 1, what will be tan x? Tan x will be 1, tan y will be 2, tan z will be 3. So now if you see, friends, tan x plus tan y plus tan z, 1 plus 2 plus 3 minus 1 into 2 into 3 divided by 1 minus of tan x into tan y, 1 into 2 2 minus 2 into 3 6 minus 3 into 1 3. This is equals to numerator, only numerator you see 6 minus 6 by something. This is equals to 0. Guys, if tan of something is equals to 0, this something should be equals to multiples of pi. See, no. Yes, 95% students make it as C, make it as 0. But why it is not 0? Because see here x is tan inverse 1. Clearly it's a non-zero value. Okay. X plus y plus z is not equals to 0 because x is not 0 and y is equals to tan inverse 2. Definitely it has some value. Y won't be 0, z also won't be 0. That means here x plus y plus z is equals to pi. Or like according to our given, yes, option D, it is none of this. If pi could have been given, pi could have been our answer. Tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3 is pi. Stick to this, very important question, very important, friends, very important. Everyone will go with C, but C is not the correct answer. Because see, if x is equals to tan inverse 1, will it be 0, man? Can we say it is 0? No. Yeah. X can't be 0, y can't be 0, z can't be 0. So how x plus y plus z can be 0? No matter what. And one more thing, all these three are positive 1. So hence, Ruben, why I'm sending your answer? Okay, friends. Okay. So hence, tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3 is equals to pi. The answer is pi, guys. Pi. Option D, yes, option D, it is none of this. If pi could have been given in the answer, pi could have been our answer. Okay. tan inverse, sir, can't we take tan inverse 1 as pi by 4 and use the formula for the rest too? Yes, we can. Yes. One of our student, who is that? Yes, Mr. Karthik asked me like, sir, can we take tan inverse 1 as pi by 4? Okay, I'll go with some separate color. Yes, tan inverse 1 as pi by 4. Okay, plus tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3. Mr. What is tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3? What is tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3? What is tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3? Tan inverse of 2 plus 3 by 1 minus 2 into 3? Should we have to write directly? Should we have to write directly? No. You know why? Here we have taken, in the morning session, we have taken cases that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equals to in 3 different cases. First case is tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy if x into y less than 1. The second case is equals to directly pi by 2 if x into y is equals to 1. And what is my third case? Pi plus this value if x into y greater than 1. This is important friends. Okay, this is important. I'll tell you what. See, suppose if I take, see friends, do understand. Now the same question I'm trying to do in this Karthik's method. Tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. 95% of the students will be doing it. Tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3 means directly tan inverse of 2 plus 3 by, here like everyone will be doing like tan inverse of 2 plus 3 by 1 minus 2 into 3. They make it wrong. It is not tan inverse of directly, it is pi plus of this, pi plus this one. This value is pi plus this one. So pi by 4 plus pi plus tan inverse of 2 plus 3 is 5, 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Now that becomes pi by 4 plus pi plus tan inverse of minus 1. What is tan inverse of minus 1? Tan inverse of minus 1 is minus pi by 4, which is also equals to pi. No, nothing Karthik, nothing like that. I hope you understood this method now. Karthik, TK clear? Have you understood this, sir? Everyone? Ruben, Michael, Ashmita, Hanna, Anit, Rohit sir. Super friends, super. This can also be taken, anything is fine, anything is up to you, anything. But only thing, cases man, that is what important. Imagine friends, if you take tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3 directly, tan inverse of 2 plus 3 by 1 minus 2 into 3, you could have got pi by 4 minus pi by 4, 0. Everyone will be taking it as answer 0, 0 only. But remember the case, here, if tan inverse x plus tan inverse y can be written as, suppose if x greater than 0, y also greater than 0 and x into y is also greater than 1, then this should be pi plus of tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. By using this we do. So we are done for today's session, my dear friends. I have already shared notes and the solutions of all the problems that we have discussed in today's session. I will also be sharing some more solutions in your groups ma. With that I am done with complete inverse trigonometry functions. From tomorrow we will be starting calculus, differential calculus, then followed by integral calculus. Okay, tomorrow limits and continuity. So with that I'm done with today's session, friends. I hope each one of you who are watching this particular session have understood our complete both physics, chemistry and maths part. We are done for today. Tomorrow we'll see you again. Bye friends. Good night everyone. Take care. God bless you all.